Hi guys. Hi everybody. How is everyone doing? So आज मैं एकदम टाइम पे आई हूँ. I think I'm just 3 minutes late, but yeah, I'm on time. मैं फटाफट आ गई live. Hello, hi. Hi Shruti. Hi Rupesh. Hi Prakhar Sachan. Not sure if I'm saying that right or not, but hi. राघव का हाय राघव, व्हाट्स अप, कैसे हो आप? हाय नेहल. हेलो हाय. हाय श्लोक. हाय जशन. हाय मिस्टर शेख. हाय अवनीत कौर अंडरस्कोर पंजाब. हे ब्यूटिफुल. हाय, हाउ आर यू, कैसे हो आप? हाय किशन. हाय अरिहंत. हाय पार्थ. हाय रुमेजा. How are you, Avneet? I'm doing great. How are you? You're beautiful, Avneet. Thank you so much. That's so sweet. Thank you. So cute, you. Thank you. Raghav Singh Nehudavya. Arre, dude, I'm in love with that song. Oh God, I've been singing it again and again. I'll sing it, but I'm not sure that I'll be like good because I'm not a professional. And कहाँ नेहा दीदी, कहाँ मैं यार? I cannot sing that like her, obviously. बहुत क्यूट लग रहे हैं आप चश्मे में. This is so wow, Avneet. Yeah, I have chashma. That's why I wear chashma all the time. It's like whenever I'm not wearing contacts, I have to wear it. नहीं तो I can't see. This is my problem. But I've created this problem into a very fashionable statement now that I have to, wear it. So I wear it like I wear a good frame now. पहले I remember when I got my chashma. Oh God, if I show you guys my chashma का, वो frame इतना वाहियात frame है. You guys will be like, nope, not working, bro. It was a red color का चश्मा का frame and I was in 4th standard when I got my chashma. So एक होते ना एक ऐसे वाले, ऐसे rectangle वाले होते ना एकदम. It was that and I used to wear it to my school. Just guess how people used to make fun of me that time. How weird I used to look that time. I'm glad थोड़ा fashion sense आया दिमाग में, अब अच्छा चश्मा पहनते हैं. Hi guys, Avneet Kaur slays. Hi, Avneet Kaur underscore lifeline. Hey beautiful. Hi. I love you, Avneet. Love you too. When will you? Okay. Hey Avneet. Avneet Kaur slays. Hi, कैसे हो आप? राघव सिंह. Okay. मेरे कोल आके गल्लां नू टच करे, मेरे कोल आके गल्लां नू टच करे, कहंदा तू ही चाहिदी मैनू, मैं तां व्याह करवो ना तेरे नाल है, जिंदगी दा गुजारा तेरे नाल है, मैं तां व्याह करवो ना तेरे नाल है, जिंदगी दा गुजारा तेरे नाल है. अरे यार क्या क्यूट लगते हैं यार दोनों साथ में. आई स्वेयर नजर ना लगे. दे जस्ट सो क्यूट एंड आई लव द सॉन्ग सो मच. इट्स जस्ट सो ब्यूटिफुल, वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. When are you coming to Delhi? Raghav Kakkar. Hi Raghav, I am coming very soon and I'm gonna see you there. Sing. अरे गा दिया भाई, इससे ज़्यादा क्या गाऊँ मैं? I'm not good at it. Shehzadi Khan, where are you, Avneet? I'm home. Where would I be? Hi Avneet, so cute. Thank you. Hi, 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 hi. Hi, 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 Bolo ji. Hi, Boldia ji. Hi, dear. Hi, but you're looking so gorgeous. Thank you so much. I miss you so much. Why? I'm pretty active on Instagram right now. You all shouldn't say that. I'm super active. Pretty. Thank you. Cotton Candy Avneet. Ooh, that's a new name. मेरा भी नाम ले लो. Hi Bhargav, sorry if I missed your name. Avneet Kaur Slay, so cute, thank you. How are you? I'm good. Tell me आप PUBG खेलती? नहीं यार, नहीं खेलती मैं. Hello. Sing तुम ही आना song. यार song requests बड़ी आ रही है. I love you. Thank you so much, Sanskriti. I love you too. No, I just came back on Instagram. Oh, is that Avneet Kaur Slay? So you were on a break or something? Did you take a break? What happened? Something serious? Current favorite song? Badami Rang and Nehu Davya. The way I say it, it's so funny. Sorry, I'm just trying to be cute. Current favorite song बता दिया. चलो, please show your new nails. देख लो भाई, ये है. मैं बहुत नॉर्मल करा है इस बार. I just wanted to go very natural and very subtle, I think. So yeah, this is it. रिप्लाई देना मैम जी. कौन सी बात का रिप्लाई दें आपकी, बताइए. हाई, प्लीज टेक माई नेम. हाई इशिता, हाउ आर यू? कम बनारस. ओके, Banaras, I've never been to Banaras, but I've heard a lot, so I really want to go there. Like, I want to visit every place in India. मुझे हर जगह को देखना है. And I hope मैं एक दिन सब देखूँ. अब मैं उदयपुर जाके आई, मेरा काफ़ी टाइम से सपना था. Like, I sort of have these dreams and all. So, like, I wanted to go to Udaipur once and that happened. So, yeah, it'll happen. उदयपुर आए तो मिल लेते आपसे, आपका सबसे बड़े फैन से. कटारिया. अरे यार, मेरे को पता ही नहीं कहाँ. मेरे को देखो, आई विल टेल यू समथिंग. इफ आई विजिट अ न्यू प्लेस, दे जस्ट टेक मी लाइक जहाँ पे भी जाना होता है. लाइक सपोज इफ आई एम गोइंग टू अ होटल, दे जस्ट टेक मी डायरेक्टली टू द होटल. सो आई डोंट नो प्लेसेस ऑब्वियसली उस जगह की. तो मैं इतना अच्छे से घूम नहीं पाई थी बिकॉज लॉट ऑफ द टाइम वी वर कंफ्यूज्ड एंड ऑल. बट the hotels, I would say, they were beautiful. The place, it was beautiful. I wanted to go like street shopping and all. I will go. तो मैं हर जगह, मेरा एक प्लान तो होता है. Like you shop from malls and you buy brands and stuff. I do that, but I've always wanted to go to that particular place का market and वहाँ जाकर street shopping करो, वहाँ की speciality खाओ, वहाँ का खाना yummy. You are the super cutest girl ever. Thank you so much. 1 second. Ball. Hi, hello. Hi अंशु भैया, दिल्ली आ जाओ. आ रहे, बस रास्ते में आ रहे. नेहू की वेडिंग में जा रहे हो यार. हाँ, सभी बता दूँ ना अभी. माई फेवरेट सॉन्ग चॉकलेट है. मेरा भी फेवरेट गाना चॉकलेट है. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू. एक्चुअली मैं बोलने वाली थी, थैंक यू फॉर गिविंग सो मच लव टू चॉकलेट. इट्स 70 million right now, and it's just because of all your love and all your support, and इतना प्यार दिया गाने को. कुड़ी तो चॉकलेट है. What are you doing on 24th, Avneet? Oh, I'm very busy. I have so many appointments, so many meetings, so many. कितना कुछ है मैं बता नहीं सकती. It's a very special day. All that I can say right now. Yeah. Hello, hi. You are looking so cute, Avneet. Thank you so much. I love you so much. I like that love you. I love you too. Ma'am, big fan from Udaipur. Yeah, I want to say something. Udaipur is just beautiful. All the people that belong from there. मेरा एक दोस्त है Vishank, so he's also from there, and he's from Udaipur. I got to know that later on, and I was so jealous. It's such a beautiful place, dude. It's beautiful. ले लो ना नाम अवनीत, कितनी बार बोल दिया. चित्रांशी, हाय चित्रांशी, कैसी हैं आप? माफ़ कीजिए अगर हमने आपका नाम नहीं पढ़ा. क्या हाल है बदामी रंग गर्ल? अच्छा हाल चाल है. आप कैसे हैं? I hope you've been great. I just came back and I hope you remember me. I love you so much. Avneet Kaur Slays. God bless you and welcome back. And I'm here to support you always. Love you. Mannat everyone's wish. Hi Didi. Hi Baba, कैसे हो आप? Hi, hello, hi. Laddie loves busy bee. कुछ नया बताओ. Bub, do you remember me? Isha, right? It's Isha, right? If I'm not wrong. Chocolate song में आप most beautiful लग रही हैं. धन्यवाद. I just work on my looks a lot and we worked it and it happened, you know, it was a teamwork. So, thank you so much for liking it. Thank you. Avneet, I'm your big fan. Hi. अरे यार कितने सारे comments. I'm so sorry if I'm slowly reading it because वो हो रहा है बहुत. Avneet, I'm your big fan. Hi भास्कर. Thank you so much भास्कर. नेहा दे व्याह ते दिल्ली कब आ रहे हो? ये मेरे दादू जी ने कमेंट किया मेरी लाइफ पे एंड ही इज आस्किंग मी कि नेहा दीदी के शादी पे दिल्ली कब आ रहे हो. अरे यार लव यू बड्डे पापा. इतने प्यारे क्यों हो आप? अवनीत कौर अंडरस्कोर लाइफलाइन. बस यूं ही. निक हाय किद्दा कुड़िए. वदिया मुंडिया. ये Hi, do you remember me? Yeah, I do. Daily लड़िया ना. Oh, daily लड़िया ना कर. It's not लड़िया, it's लड़िया. इतनी आती है मुझे पंजाबी. Yo. You are so pretty, my dream girl. Like you, taking my name would be such a pleasure. Jenil. Hi, Jenil. Hi, everybody. Hello. Arishfa, hi, Arishfa. कैसी हो तुम? How are you? Thank you, Earth. हाँ राघव, yes. Looking cute. Thank you so much, Priyanka Di. Love you. Avneet को अंडरस्कोर लाइफलाइन. Do you remember my name? मुझे पता है आपको याद नहीं होगा. यार I'm very bad with names. पता है सीरियसली मेरे दोस्त भी जितने क्लोज है ना, नहीं मतलब आई कैन नॉट लाइक आई डोंट इवन रिमेंबर उनका बर्थ डेट ऑल्सो. मैं गाली खा चुकी हूँ इस चीज़ पे. आई एम सो बैड. आई कैन रिमेंबर द यूजर नेम्स बट इफ यू गाइज डोंट पुट दैट ना योर नेम आई फॉरगेट इट. आप सारा दिन सॉन्ग में बहुत सुंदर लगती हैं. थैंक यू. अवू यू लुक सुपर प्रिटी व्हेन यू स्माइल. या आई हैव स्टार्टेड स्माइलिंग. I'm just kidding. I smile all the time. That's my problem. You know, like when I smile, ना मेरी आँखें एकदम ऐसी हो जाती है ऐसी. So that's why. बदामी रंग नखरे पंग नैन शराब मुंडा यंग. Avneet, can you please say hi सनाया. Hi सनाया, कैसे हो आप? सनाया. मैं अच्छी हूँ, तुम कैसी हो? Hi अरिश्फा. मैं भी सही हूँ एकदम कमाल. धमाल. Would you remember it was my birthday on the 17th October? I think I read your DM about it. Yeah. ले लो नाम कितनी बार कह दिया मैंने. परीक्षित शर्मा. जी परीक्षित कैसे हैं आप? मृनु क्यूडी. Hi मृणाल, how are you? You look so cute. Thank you. Looking beautiful. Thank you, cutie. Thank you so much. Cutie. Everybody saying cutie. You're the sweetest. Please check my DM later. Oh, I will. आपकी smile. Keep smiling, everybody. मेरा निकनेम मुस्कान है यार. कैसे नहीं हंसूं मैं? हाँ. Bub, afterwards check my DM. Absolutely, I will. I'm good. How are you? मैं एकदम कमाल बेमिसाल. I was gonna say something. Shush. Please say hi Soumya. Hi Soumya. Abu, what thing you do in your free time? I think you all know about that already. Like apart from creating content, I think I like watching movies. I'm just kidding. Yeah, Netflix to everybody. But I like reading. You all know my reading books ka full collection. Then I like writing. I have been super inactive on my poetry page. I'm gonna resume that very soon, hopefully. And yeah, I like doing many more things. So, do you like cooking? Oh, I suck at cooking. I'm very bad at cooking. So it's like, I tried a few times, but then I was like, मत करो भाई, ना हो पाई तुमसे, तो इसलिए मैं नहीं करती. बट हाँ, इफ आई वांट टू लर्न इट लाइक प्रोफेशनली एकदम मतलब क्लासेस वासेस लेके, देन आई कैन डू इट डेफिनेटली. बट आई डोंट थिंक इट्स नॉट माई कप ऑफ टी. आई फील लाइक बस खा सकती हूँ. मेरा भी नेम ले लो प्लीज़, मुझे बहुत खुशी होगी. क्वीन सारा, कैसे हैं आप सारा जी? Ariz, hi Ariz, how are you? Hi Bani, hi Mr. Abu. Okay, I'm just taking all name. Do you watch Big Boss? Who is your favorite contestant? I think everybody's doing great, and yeah, that's it. I just don't have any like favorites or something. I won't actually comment on it because I've not been so frequent at it. So अब वो आपको भावेश ने इतना अच्छा बर्थडे सरप्राइज दिया, मुझे भी भावेश जैसा दोस्त चाहिए. भावेश इज अ स्वीट हार्ट एंड बहुत अच्छा दोस्त है वो मेरा, एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड टू हैव हिम as my friend, because nowadays it's like so difficult to get true friends and genuine people in your life, if you know what I mean. He's been that throughout, and he was the first person that I met when I came in this industry, so he's been constant till the time, and I'm glad to have him. And that birthday surprise was just amazing. That was like cherry on top. No, he's a very good friend. Very, very good friend. Avu, please say hi, Avneet. My nickname is Avneet. आपका निकनेम अवनीत कैसे है? सृष्टि मुखर्जी. सृष्टि एंड अवनीत डज नॉट मैच. हाँ वैसे बेटा एक सेकेंड, अवनीत एंड मुस्कान ऑल्सो डज नॉट मैच. देन ओके, सॉरी. It's just our parents ka thinking. I don't know what they thought while they were keeping my nickname. Hi, hello, hi. Hi Rahul, hi Arif. Hi Avneet Di, I'm your very biggest fan. Please request you 100 times. Please add me. Bhavna Modi. Okay, wait, I'll add you then. Sure, why not? बोलते यार. Say my name यार, कितनी बार बोलूं? Hi Manya, I'm so sorry if I missed it. I hope she comes. Hello. Oh,
Hello. Hello.
hello. I'm so sorry. I was not able to see you. I feel so bad right now. Okay, if somebody wants to come in my live, they can join in right now. मतलब I'll join you. You cannot join, but you can comment and I can accept. Oh, wait. Requests में जाके देख लेती हूँ. This is gonna be fun. Why are you so cute? Just like that. I'm adding somebody right now. Let's see if she accepts it. What is wrong with me? God, I fumble a lot. Please. Okay. Add me. Yeah. Just a second, I'm actually adding somebody right now. And if she doesn't pick up, then. Okay, she's not. Koi nahi. Okay, wait. Who wants to come live with me? Hello, hi, hello. Okay. Um, Sup partner, what's up, Matty? How is life? Okay, if anybody wants to come live, they can send in the requests. I think wahan se I'll be able to see you all. Okay, I'm gonna add somebody. Let's see. आज पता नहीं क्यों नहीं हो रहा है add. I don't know. I'm trying आज तो पता नहीं क्या हो गया है. You, Baba. Oh, she left. What? कोई नहीं. कोई add somebody else. Okay, let's see if she comes live. Or he, I don't know. It's a fan page, so. Hi, hello. Hello? Oh,
Hello, Didi.
hi.
I'm your biggest fan, Didi. I can't believe this.
Thank you so much. क्या नाम है आपका?
मेरा नाम निहार जकी है, मैं गोवा से हूँ.
आप गोवा से हैं?
हाँ दीदी.
अरे wow, that's great. Thank you so much for creating this fan page for me. It's so sweet.
Didi, you are looking so cute.
Thank you, Baba.
I can't believe this. Didi, can I take this screenshot?
हाँ. Sure, why not? You got it?
Thank you. Yes, Didi. Thank you for adding me.
God bless you. God bless you. And stay healthy and stay safe, okay?
Yes, Didi. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Oh, God. I think he got... अरे बाप रे, उनको थप्पड़ पड़ा, I think. Are you okay? Oh God, I think he got hit because of me. I think आंटी को लगा कि I'm... Oh God. Are you all right? Oh God. Please text her, please. I feel so bad right now. I hope he's all right. Bye, Saab. I hope you're okay. Okay, I think he's okay. कोई नहीं. अभी वैसे भी मम्मी के सामने नहीं टेक्स्ट करना चाहिए. हो सकता है पढ़ाई कर रहा हो और ऐसे लाइव देख रहा हो और मैंने ऐड कर लिया. अरे यार, I feel so bad right now. क्यों? Why does this happen to me? Oof, okay, enough. Make you laugh. God. Okay. What's done is done. Let's move ahead. हाँ तो if anybody wants to come live and please do, but just make sure that your mom is not around because I don't want you to get hit. So hi. Hello, hi. Okay. Hello, hi. Hello. Okay. Requests. Let's go to requests. And then I'll add somebody. Oh, a lot of my fan pages are here. So I think she can come live with us right now. Srijal, her name is. Oh, she declined. Okay, no problem. No problem, sweetie. If you don't want to come live. A lot of people are here, but I don't know. इसको मैं add करूँ मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा. So bad at making decisions. Okay. Why does it show like this कि unable to join? But आपने फिर भी request भेजी है, फिर भी unable to join कैसे हो सकता है? I don't understand. Okay. Let's try. Hey, yeah, no, cutie. Hi, Barkha.